Today's session is hosted by ERIKS Digital and treats a super important topic, especially in B2B, the war on talent and building a culture. Let's talk B2B.
Talking to Marieke Hermans, Digital Director within ERIKS. What kind of company is ERIKS?
ERIKS is an industrial service provider. We deliver all kind of technical products and application to different industries.
We're here at ERIKS Digital and you're responsible for ERIKS Digital. Tell me a little bit about this team.
Yeah, so we started this team 1.5 years ago, and this team is responsible for driving the digital transformation within ERIKS. We build all kind of digital products, but also digital services in terms of digital marketing expertise, data analytics, to help ERIKS to grow the business and make use of all the digital capabilities that are available these days in the market.
By the way, we saw some amazing examples of that. We're here now at ERIKS. ERIKS is a large corporate, and to be able to digital transform these companies, you need special profile people. Very difficult for many companies to find them. How come you're so successful in building up this team?
I think one of the things that that made us so successful is that we really built our digital team from scratch. ERIKS Digital is a separate department within ERIKS here in Amsterdam, where the labor market for digital experts is really good. We try to hire the best people in the market, but we're also very strong focusing on the culture. What kind of people do we attract? Because the culture and the people, how they work together, that's super important for us.
Talking about diversity, how important is that within your digital team?
Very important. I'm really proud that we have within ERIKS Digital 25 different nationalities represented. So people from all over the world are working with us, and that brings a very nice vibe and energy to the team. And I believe that a strong team is a diverse team, and it really works for us.
How big is your female percentage of the team?
27% of our colleagues are female, and I think for a tech-oriented department, that's quite good.
Our team in Lisbon has about 40, but that's more a cultural difference, I think, than in the Netherlands.
In Portugal, is it easier to recruit women?
There's more Czech women in the universities in Lisbon, I think, than in the Netherlands. So that's why we have a high percentage relatively.
Okay.
You talked about the candidate journey. What is that?
We defined our people strategy in two parts. That's the candidate journey and the employee journey. So whenever someone signs, they start their employee journey. Before that is the candidate journey. They will look at attract and hire. So attract for us is creating awareness, showing who we are, having a blog where we tell about ourselves, going to events, and then looking at hire. There's more the process itself, having a structured process, a fair process, so unbiased. Reflecting our values in the process, so talking about feedback and all those kind of things. Yeah.
So what mix do you use during recruitment?
Our top source of hires last year was job boards, referrals, and own proactive sourcing. And with proactive sourcing, I mean approaching the people that you want. So you can also then choose a perfect candidate instead of choosing the best applicant.
This is a challenge for many B2B companies. Do you have a few tips for our viewers?
One of the things that I really like is also that we show our values, the way we do things, not per se what we do, but the way we do things that we find important, things that we look at. I think that's a good tip. And the other tip is, don't wait, just be proactive, show who you are, go out there. That's the way to find people. Yeah.
What is ERIKS Digital doing differently?
I think they spend a lot of time on, let's say, the softer side of things. I think that's kind of an inspiring thing too. Well, that's what I take home.
Remco, what do you take home from this session today?
Today was very inspiring and really nice to see the office of ERIKS Digital. And also a lot of the topics, how this firm was created and the things that they do and want to do, really familiar with my own business. And also on that side, very inspiring.
Thanks Marieke and team from ERIKS Digital for sharing your insights. We've learned a lot today. So make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and let's talk B2B.